Ever wondered how long crows live? These intelligent birds are full of surprises. Crows, known for their sharp minds and problem-solving skills, typically live around 7 to 8 years in the wild. But in captivity, with good care, they can live up to an incredible 20 years or more. From using tools to remembering faces, crows prove time and again that they're some of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom. So next time you see a crow, remember, they might be around for a long time. Please like, subscribe, and stay curious.